In this tutorial, I'm going to provide you with 4 key areas for developing blockchain platforms. For businesses, a well-designed blockchain doesn't merely cut out intermediaries, but it can also help to reduce costs, increase reach, speed, transparency, and traceability for many business processes. A distributed ledger technology, blockchain enables an internet-based, peer-to-peer network that works to facilitate exchanges in value. Computers on the network verify and record transactions simultaneously, which can be completed without a traditional intermediary, such as a credit card network or a bank. As with many emerging technologies, the main concern with blockchain is trust. While the transparency and immutability of blockchain ledgers can be a significant deterrent to hackers, there is still uncertainty about its vulnerability to fraud. The concerns over trust can be alleviated if there are standards and regulations developed to reduce the risk that blockchain might pose to the users. Here are 4 key areas to focus on if you want to establish a blockchain platform. Making a case for business. If you are looking to develop a blockchain platform, then you have to make a strong case for the business. You need to make sure that the purpose of the initiative for establishing a blockchain platform is both clear and well conceived. This will allow you to move forward in developing the blockchain platform without confusion. Building an ecosystem. When making a blockchain platform, you may find that you have to work with different companies within your industry, and perhaps even your competitors, to create a common set of standards in which to govern the blockchain. A majority of those with a live blockchain application are either leaders or members of a blockchain consortium. Deliberate design. The design of your blockchain platform must be intentional and work with what users can see and do. You may have to work with legal, compliance, and cybersecurity experts to help you develop rules and standards for access permission that will help to prompt trust in the technology. Navigating regulatory uncertainty. The regulatory requirements of blockchain will continue to evolve. If companies continue to avoid the technology while the rules are being developed, they can run the risk of falling behind of their competition. As you develop standards, engaging regulators can help blockchain users anticipate their next moves. Blockchain can no longer be called a key technology for the future because it's already getting significant use today. Understanding the 4 key areas of focus for developing a blockchain platform will help your business stay ahead of the game.